Hey guys, so today my sister's wanting me to try her little project that she made in the house. So we're gonna test it out to see if it works. So this is what it looks like. It says vending machine, receive your prize, candy, turn to the left, and a coin. So the coins are here. I'm gonna pop a coin in, I guess. Okay, there. Oh, looks like I got Twizzlers. Yum. So that's
You guys want to see
toy.
the inside?
It looks like, guys.
Do you guys want to see the inside? The inside. This is where I keep the candy.
The candy's in there.
Then right here you put the candy, and once you turn it, it falls off. Then under here, right there,
That's where the coin goes.
that's where the coin goes. And yeah.
So that's the project. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Have a nice night or day or afternoon.
Morning, evening.
Or night. Bye.
Bye.